So I should have started recording earlier, but well, we're here now. So what we got today is doing some patchwork. I'll include some photos, but yeah, getting it ready, body ready to sand and paint, and making this old rig look pretty again. Not that I don't like the way she looks now. I kind of like the rough look, but definitely this stuff is fun to do. Yeah, show you guys it when it's all dry and do some sanding and see where we go from there. And for anyone new, this is a 1978 Ford F-250 351 modified. Sweet. So, well, I'm basically done the first coat, and yeah, no, not too bad. This is just a leftover. It was in there. It's gonna be sanded down anyways. I'll kind of fix that up before it dries a bit. Next I have that spot. A little bit in there. And then the worst of it. Well, not the worst of it. But right in there. Cap corner is new. And I just want to throw some in here and kind of cover this up. I was thinking about putting foam in there, kind of take up the moisture, and then just over top, kind of clean it up, hide it. And anything the officers on the road don't see won't hurt. Yeah, let this dry a little bit longer. Go inside, get some cold snacks, something to eat. Come back out and do some sanding. So it's been about an hour and a half, and let's take a look. Nice and hard. Start sanding it down now. Getting these finishes nice and smooth. Yeah, bit rough right now, but a little bit of sanding, and then spray some brown primer on it. Coming along just nice. And just enough daylight left to finish the job. At least here's hoping. So I'm just putting a new pad on the sander now, and it's coming along. I might sand it down, get it nice and smooth, and go over another coat with the Bondo, just to kind of make it nice and smooth, and then sand that down, and yeah, give her some paint. So I've been doing some hand sanding for a while, and she's really coming nice. Really coming along nicely. Just gotta do another little smooth run over with a little more Bondo to fill in these little bits like that. This one's looking pretty fresh. I don't think I'm gonna run over anymore on that one. Just these two. Let it dry for 30 minutes. I got some yard work to do, and come back and finish sanding and priming. Woohoo! Alrighty. Time for this to dry. Hit it with quick sand and ready to go. Oh, I better cover that chrome up. Don't want to get rid of that. We're so close to being done, guys. Like, it's not even funny. Sun's going down, and I'm hoping we can beat it. Well, I don't think we will. So we got the light tonight. What I'd like to do is hit it with some sand. Hand sand it after I hit it with some just the power sander. Just get the top layer off, and then it'll make it a little easier. Do it with some hand sanding, but I have to hit it with the power sander before the sun goes out, because I only have one switch and I need two things plugged in, so see the dilemma. But we got the chrome covered, as you can see. This is gonna sand down nice. This is gonna sand down nice. This is ready to go. Yeah, I'll hit it with some brown primer and call this side good for now. Check back in soon. Well, guys, I knew it. We ran out of sunlight, but lamp works good. Nice and smooth. All these little dots and stuff. I actually don't mind this stuff. It's gonna show up when I paint it, but it kind of goes with the rest of the aesthetic. And again, it's on my own my own little project, so it doesn't matter how good it is when I'm riding down the road. I like it, and that's all that matters. And that's all that matters with your projects too. You're happy. You don't have to please anybody but yourself. So throw some paint on it and see what it looks like. Well guys, it's sprayed. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm gonna leave that painter's tape on there till tomorrow and let this dry overnight. Check on it tomorrow. It doesn't look too bad. For rolling down the road, it's better than what it was. Well guys, it was a fun day, that's for sure. We got lots done, and yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and leave a comment. See what you guys are working on, or whatever you guys want to give me tips, tricks, or whatever it is, because it's a community. We're all about community. Cheers. All right, bonus part of the video. It's the truck running. You haven't heard it before? Now you have.